In this video tutorial, we will see how to print alphabet triangle pattern. Let's move to Visual Studio Code and execute this pattern. In this pattern, every line begins with a space character. The space characters are gradually decreasing line by line from 4 to 0, 4, 3, 2, 1, and 0. Here, along with every space characters, alphabet character is appended. Here, alphabet characters are gradually increasing line by line from 1 to 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Here, along with every alphabet, a space character is appended. So let's type code to execute this pattern. Here, declare and initialize a variable I with a 0. We are going to use while loop here, while I less than 5. 5 is nothing but the required number of iterations, and at the end of every iteration we are going to increase I value by 1. So here I value will be 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. At the end of its iteration I value will become 5. 5 less than 5 condition is false and iteration is going to stop here. So print the result, print. Every line begins with the space characters, and those space characters are gradually decreasing line by line. So here, this is the logic to print the space character. In the first line, it is going to print 4 space, then 3, then 2, then 1 and 0 space. Those space characters are appended with alphabet character. First alphabet character is E. ASCII value for E is 69 minus I, which is going to print E, B, C, B and A. Along with every alphabet, a space character is appended. Here in the first line there is a single E, then 2B, then 3C, then 4B and 5A. For that we are going to multiply this character and string with I plus 1. Let's run pytriangle.py file in the terminal. This is our expected alphabet triangle pattern. In the next video tutorial, we will see another type of alphabet triangle pattern.